Tired of refreshing your website every time? Make it easy with Live Server. In our Visual Studio Code editor, we click on the Extensions section. Type Live Server in the search bar and click on the top downloaded extension. If you want to verify, the publisher is Ritwick. Click the Install button to install our extension. Now we can close this tab. If Go Live appears at the bottom right, your extension has been successfully installed. Let's create a new HTML file and try out our extension. We run our extension by clicking the Go Live button, and our browser opens. As you can see, every action we perform appears live. I will show you how to turn Live Server off and on. By clicking the location of the Go Live button, you can turn your extension off and on. If the Live Server button isn't visible in your editor, I'll show you how to reactivate it. We go to the Extensions section and select our Live Server extension. You can enable or disable the Live Server extension with the buttons shown here. Let's test it. As you can see, our extension is now active in the bottom right corner. If turning it off and on doesn't work, you can uninstall the extension like this and install it again. Our extension is now working. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.